your rights under the Consumer Rights Act 2015. 1. Recognizing the problem with a used car. If you have purchased a second-hand vehicle from a trader and it has developed a fault, you may be legally protected. Common issues include engine faults, gearbox failure, electrical problems, warning lights, or defects that were present at the time of sale but only became apparent later. Under the Consumer Rights Act 2015, used cars must be of satisfactory quality, taking into account age, mileage, and price. Fit for purpose, as described by the seller. If a vehicle fails to meet these standards, the trader, not the consumer, is legally responsible. 2. Contacting the paralegal at Impel Legal. The first step is to contact Impel Legal for an initial review of your case. Impel Legal's paralegal will take time to understand when and where the vehicle was purchased, the nature and timing of the fault, any communication already had with the dealer, repair reports, invoices, or diagnostic evidence. This early assessment helps establish whether your claim is valid under UK consumer law and which legal remedy applies. 3. Understanding your legal remedies. Your rights depend on when the fault occurred. Within 30 days of purchase, you may have the right to reject the vehicle and claim a full refund. Within the first 6 months, the law assumes the fault was present at the time of sale unless the trader can prove otherwise. You are entitled to a repair or replacement, and if that fails, a refund, which may include a reasonable deduction for use. After 6 months, you may still have a claim, but evidence, such as an independent report, may be required to show the fault existed at purchase. Impel Legal explains these rights clearly and applies the correct legal framework to your situation. 4. How Impel Legal works with the consumer. Once instructed, Impel Legal works on your behalf, removing the stress and complexity of dealing with an uncooperative dealer. The paralegal will draft formal legal correspondence to the trader, issue a letter before action where appropriate, challenge incorrect refusals, delays, or warranty deflections, negotiate a resolution that complies with consumer law. All communication is handled professionally and proportionately, with a clear focus on achieving the best possible outcome for the consumer. 5. Escalation to the small claims court. If the dealer refuses to comply, Impel Legal can escalate the matter to the county court, small claims court. This includes preparing the legal claim, organizing evidence and documentation, guiding the consumer through court procedure, ensuring deadlines and legal requirements are met. This structured approach significantly improves a consumer's ability to enforce their rights without the cost of a solicitor. 6. Why use Impel Legal? Impel Legal offers a cost-effective alternative to solicitors, with fees that are dramatically lower than traditional legal services. For many used car disputes, engaging a paralegal is a sensible investment, particularly where the value of the claim may be several £1,000s. 7. Taking the next step. If you are experiencing problems with a used car purchased from a trader, do not assume you have no options. The law offers strong protections, and Impel Legal can help you enforce them. Contact Impel Legal today to discuss your case and take the first step towards holding the dealer accountable.